Before we start building our lab, we need to prepare the environment. In this course, we will use virtualization to simulate real network devices without needing physical hardware. What do we need? First, a hypervisor. We will use VMware that allows us to run virtual machines. Then GNS3, which is our network simulator. It lets us design and test network topologies in a realistic way. We also need the GNS3 VM, so virtual machine, which improves performance and allows us to run advanced devices. Finally, we will install FortiOS, the operating system of FortiGate, to simulate a real firewall. In this lesson, I will guide you through installing all required components. Don't worry about complex configurations yet. For now, just focus on getting everything installed and ready. Now let's understand the relationship between virtualization and hypervisors. A hypervisor is the software that allows us to run virtual machines on a hypervisor computer, on a physical computer. In our case, VMware acts as a hypervisor. Inside VMware, we run the GNS3 VM, which is optimized to handle network devices efficiently. Then we use GNS3 software to design and manage our network topology. So the workflow is simple. VMware provides the environment, GNS3 VM provides performance, and GNS3 gives us control. This combination allows us to simulate a real network without physical hardware. Before we start the installation, let's quickly understand what FortiOS is. FortiOS is the operating system that powers FortiGate firewalls. In this lab, we will install the FortiOS virtual machine and use it inside GNS3. We also will activate a trial license to unlock full features. Keep in mind that each FortiOS VM is associated with a unique serial number, which is used for licensing and identification. Now let's move to the installation setup.